back to the atmosphere, but there is the what? There is the lower layer of the atmosphere traps such terrestrial radiation and prevents it from being lost in the space. Alhamdulillah. Glory be to Allah. Otherwise, you would not be surviving in this planet. It would be very cold, and the temperature would reach minus more than 200, until maybe it reached minus 270 degrees Celsius. So, وَجَعَلْنَا السَّمَاءَ سَقْفًا مَحْفُوظًا. وَجَعَلْنَا السَّمَاءَ سَقْفًا مَحْفُوظًا. We made the heaven as a protection ceiling. سَقْفًا مَحْفُوظًا. Okay. Now, do you still remember this layer, the upper layer of the atmosphere, which is called magnetosphere. Magnetosphere. Okay. What does this layer do for us? This layer came to the existence because of the magnetic field of the earth. The core of the earth is mainly iron or nickel. The core, the center of the earth is mainly iron and nickel. These are heavy metals. These heavy metals cause the magnetic field of the earth. And such magnetic field of the earth cause the formation of what is called here Van Allen. It's here. It is called what? Van Allen belts. Are you with me? Iron, nickel of this earth causes the magnetic field, and this magnetic field causes the what? The Van Allen belts. What are the Van Allen belts? They are belts surrounding the what? The atmosphere around the earth. So, when the outburst is called also solar flare. Solar flare coming from the sun. This is the sun. And these are the outbursts coming from the sun. And the outbursts coming from the sun are really huge energy. Are considered or are made or they are really huge radiation coming from the sun. If they reach the surface of our planet, everything would be burned. So, what happened? Such magnetic field stop such magnetic field, stops such outbursts coming from the sun, or called the solar flare, stops them from reaching the earth. Okay? So, the magnetosphere layer called Van Allen belts protects living beings from the harmful radiation, celestial bodies also. Not only the radiation coming from the sun, by the way, every outburst coming from the sun, the energy of it is equal to the energy of 100 billion nuclear atom or nuclear bomb. 100 billion nuclear bomb like that one dropped on Hiroshima at the end of the World War II. Subhanallah, glory be to Allah. One burst. The energy of one burst coming from the sun is equal to 100 billion nuclear bomb like that dropped on Hiroshima. And we are talking about how many bursts? Billions and billions of bursts through the history of this universe. Because of this magnetic field called Van Allen belts, we are protected. Who created this layer? Allah the Almighty to protect us. Yes, this layer not only protects us against harmful radiation coming from the sun, and not only from the sun, and also from other stars. Because also other stars are like the sun. Yes, and some of them are much bigger. And they have also outburst. So we are protected by these belts. Alhamdulillah. Thanks to Allah. Okay? It also protects us against the celestial bodies coming from the space. And particles also coming from the sun and other stars. Okay? So, not only this, the benefit is going on of this roof.
لا إله خلق السماوات والأرض أكبر من خلق الناس ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
Okay? Now, to live on this planet, you need water. وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي. We made out of water every living thing. Without rain, without water,
without life, we can't live.
No life. Okay? So, how do you get your water? I will tell you. The atmosphere layer holds water vapor rising from the surface of the earth until it is condensed and returns to the earth in the form of rain. Alhamdulillah. You see, this is the lower layer of the atmosphere, called the troposphere. Water vapor comes from water surface, oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, in any source. Okay? Water vapor rises up until it reaches the troposphere, which is the lower layer of the atmosphere. And this atmosphere holds it. Don't go away. Because people down, animals down, need you. Okay? It stays as a water vapor until it what? Until it is condensed. After being condensed, it comes down as rain to get the benefit from it wherever. Now, when we have rain here in, for example, here in Yemen, clouds come